Oh, I'm so fast! This is so much fun! I think I'm gonna win! Whoa! Oh no! Woo, that was close! Oh no, my head hurts!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no, what happened here? Oh no, I think there's an accident! Don't worry, I will help you! I will call the mechanic! He knows what to do! Hey, Mr. Mechanic! There's an accident over here! We need your help! Hurry, hurry! Can you fix these cars? Don't worry, I'll help you! Alright, team! Come on, somebody needs our help! We need to roll out!
Wow! Oh no!
Looks like our job here is done. Thank you everyone for helping me out. And be careful out there.